Hey YouTube, welcome back everybody. Got something to show you tonight. We're gonna see this together for the first time. I'd ordered this coming up on a little over 4 months ago from Sterling Kit, and this box was sitting on our porch when I got home. Let's tear into this. Oh, come on, Matt. This was a pre-order because they didn't even have the prototypes done yet when they started selling them. So we got a box within a box, packaged well. Let's get this out of the way. Try not to smack that camera. And we got a whole bunch of parts inside the box, inside of a box. Let's get all this out of here. We'll get our workbench cleaned back off. We'll see what all we got. Let me get this out of here. Okay, let me push all this stuff over to the side. Let's get into this box here. I haven't found any exciting instructions yet. Kind of a bummer. I always enjoy reading those. Very well packaged. There. You want to see what this is yet? Let me get this box out of here. Let me get this box out of here. I'm going to take our plastic sack off of this box. Excellent packaging. You guys see what we have here? This is the brand new flathead 4-cylinder engine. Oh great. This tells us how to assemble it. I think it's written in hieroglyphics. I'm not sure. Before we get started on this project, I want to say that this is an amazing kit to put together. I was kind of joking about this here being hieroglyphics, but just to decipher it, I went to our local higher learning center, and when I asked, my wife grabbed that, took my phone and said, "You idiot, it's a QR code. Here you go." So with that said, all joking aside, guys, this is a fantastic model. When I opened the link on that QR code, the engineer and designer of this was not happy with the outcome of the crankshafts. I really, I'm amazed with it. You'll see it in, well, what's coming up. But the gentleman who designed this is truly a model engineer, and he obviously loves the hobby. So we're not going to make this fast. We're going to go through it. We're going to do it right. And before we get started, we are going to paint the block, our oil pan, our head. We are going to coat our intake and exhaust manifolds, and we are going to paint our side plates, all the exterior stuff. Because maybe it's my own opinion, but a well-built engine is painted and then assembled. We're not going to worry about painting the head bolts or any of the assembly fasteners. So, okay. Well, with that said, I do want to give credit. I'm not sponsored anything by Cison, but just I wanted to thank you. Look at this. This is incredible, guys. So, all right, let's bear with this, and we'll get through it as quick as we can, but we are not going to be rushing. So, all right, thanks, guys. This is number 7 of 100. I kind of feel like James Bond. Look at that. I got a card that says 007. Here's our instruction manual. So let's take it out of the box. This is going to be fun, guys. Look at this. It's a kit. Look at this little crankshaft. You got a milled keyway in it on both ends. This is going to be fun, fellas. Just let me get this out of here. They've already installed our valves for us. Well, one of them at least. It's got the spring on it. The rest of these we need to put those all together. It's a flathead 4-cylinder. It's an aluminum block, very nicely machined. Steel liners, steel valves. Looks like we have brass valve guides in there. Let's get that out. Let's get our oil pan out of here. Once again, nicely cast. It's not machined, but that's okay. Here's our cylinder head. Nicely cast. Got reliefs in here for our piston and our valve clearance. What do we got up here? This looks like it's going to be our timing cover. Pull this out of here. We got our, well, our tappet covers. Here's our gaskets, our line, and well, they even supplied us with Allen keys. Parts falling out, they're just jumping in here ready to go. Here's all of our valve springs. These look like our lifters, idler gear, and so on. This is going to be an exciting project, guys. I'm really looking forward to this. Get that glare away and you guys can see what all's in there. Not too focused on the camera right now. I'm excited about this. Here's our dipstick. So obviously they intend for this one to have oil in it. Yeah. Kind of get this here. Here's our camshaft. Looks like it's nicely ground. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that or not. We've got a good heavy sized ball bearing for our main. That's a nice sized bearing. And they're machined to keep the braces from turning on the outside. If you guys will be able to see that, and on the inside. So we can't well, I guess spin inside of our race. Here's our pistons. Let's look to see what we have for ring grooves. It looks like we have 2 for compression and 1 for oil control. Guys, this is really impressive. We'll see what's in here. Oh, this is our, looks like maybe our output hub. You might have to read the instructions on this one, actually. There's our front pulley. Here's our connecting rods. Let's check one of those out. Those are nicely machined also. Look at that, guys. This is an impressive kit. Well, we know what we've got to do here. We've got to build an engine together, guys. This is going to be, I know I keep saying it, but yeah, this is exciting to me. What else have we got here? This is, this here looks like this is all of our, that's our ignition module. It runs on 7.4 to 12.6 volts. Right there's our pickup coil. What we got in here? Oh, look at this cute little radiator. Look at that. You see right through it. What else have we got? Oil lines and water lines or fuel lines. A sorted bag of wiring, which this must be our starter, I'm assuming. I didn't realize it had electric start. We got something in here with wires on it. Let's see what this is. Oh. We have an electric cooling fan. Yeah, just a little muffin type cooling fan. It's brushless. Runs on 12 volt. So, alright. Well, should we start off and just wing it? Or should we read the instructions first? I think we should read these instructions. Let's get some of this packaging material out of the way. I won't subject you guys to reading through all of this with me. But, here we can read this. 17.5 cc's. You guys, this is shiny paper. 17.5 cc. 16.7 millimeter bore. 20 millimeter stroke. It says 1800 to 8500 RPM. 2 or 3 cell lithium battery. And then this is a 2 or 3S for our ignition. See, this shows, well, maybe it's in here somewhere, but this shows a starting motor. And the back of our block looks different than the back of this one, but maybe we haven't put it all together yet. We'll find out. This tells us where our mounting holes are going to be for when we make our mounts. I don't know, guys. I'm excited. So, alright, well, I guess I'll do one step and I'll show you what we got. And then we'll just keep moving forward and I'll show you step by step. If we run into any snags, I will bring you guys back. So, let's, we'll start on that tomorrow. What do you think? Alright, guys. Thanks once again. You guys are fantastic. I love making these videos. Hopefully you guys enjoy watching them. Maybe they're getting a little bit better and easier to watch, but we're going to keep trying at it. So, thanks, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.